people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faith, men's personal stylist and shopper based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today is a different type of video. As you can already see, I'm going to be unboxing and usually I do unboxing and styling, but today I'm just unboxing and I probably just chat in between the unboxing. Yes, so if you are new here and you've not seen this type of video from me this year, well, welcome on board. I always try to show you guys the kind of things that I buy, to show you my personal shopping side, because I actually started with personal shopping before going into men's styling. Okay, so I still shop for clients and this service is not restricted to just men, so I shop for women, I shop for men, I shop for kids. Okay, so no much talking in this video. I'm just going to unbox and let's get right into it. So we have this box here that I have just received and I have not opened. As you can see, I've not opened it at all. So we are going to see what's inside together. I ordered some things for a client from ASOS. We ordered a couple of things, different brands. That's one beautiful thing I like about ASOS. You can get a wide range of brands from ASOS. Depending on your budget, you will always find something. So let's get right into it. I have my scissors. I think it's pretty easy to open. I really like the sound of sellotape. It's so weird. I don't know why I do, but I like the sound of sellotape. I like wrapping things for clients. I like... Oh guys, I forgot to mention that the reason why I have this setup here is that most of the items I got for my clients are t-shirts. So I'm going to be hanging them as I unbox, so that I can declutter my space. Okay, so guys, I'm so eager to say tada. Sorry. Okay. Tada. Okay, so let me just put this beside me and we'll go one after the other. Some of these items were on sale. The first thing I'm going to show you here is this. So this is not a male item, this is a female item. This is from Aldo, but we also got everything on ASOS. So that's why I said on ASOS you can get quite a number of brands. And yeah, isn't this fun? I hope you can see. Ta-da! Guys, we have this beautiful pair of sneakers that we got on sale. We got it on sale, 25% off. It was £70 and we got it at £50. Yes. Another thing I like about ASOS, I now sound like I'm an ASOS ambassador. If anyone from ASOS is watching me, maybe they should think of giving me ambassadorial whatever. Is that sometimes you will find lots of sales on ASOS that you may not even find from the original brands themselves. Not that I check to confirm if this is on sale on Aldo, but you will always find a sale on ASOS. That's what I'm trying to say. So this is for my female clients. This is really beautiful. Look at that. Just keep watching. You'll see a closer view of all these items at the end of the video. I want to make this as brief as possible. So this is the first item we have from today's unboxing. And then we have t-shirts. Let's start with this. Okay, so we have a couple of items from Lyle Scot, a very beautiful brand, and this is a really nice polo shirt. I'm just going to open it. I'm going to fold it back obviously, but I want you to see it. Okay guys, I can't open this. You'll see the picture on your screen right now of what this shirt looks like. It's a really beautiful tan polo shirt and we got this at full price for £50. So the next item we have here is this lovely Topman stripe t-shirt. Like I said, I'm not doing much styling today. I'm just showing you the things I got because I have talked about how to style most of these items on my channel, especially casual wear, which is the bulk of the items that we got here. This is a lovely striped t-shirt, and I advise that if you're on the plus size, you need to go for vertical stripes like this because they're going to give you a slimming effect, and if you are on the slim side, then horizontal stripes are your friend. All right, so that's what I'm going to tell you for today. Okay, so now I'm also not opening this. I guess this is basically useless today. Sorry guys. The third item we have is this lovely Fred Perry tan shirt. I think I can open this. Okay, I can. And then I'll just fold it back. Yay, I love the color. Guys, look at that. Look at this. It's really lovely. It's really, really nice. You can wear this as a standalone shirt, and you can wear it as an over shirt on top of a plain t-shirt. All right, so this is really nice. We got this for £80, I think. I'll put it on the screen so you can see. Also at full price. It was not on sale, but this is so nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So let's hang this one, and I'll fold it back later. Another item we have here is this other Lyle and Scot t-shirts as well. I love this stripe. And also, let me just add here that even if you're on the plus size, it doesn't mean you cannot wear horizontal stripes. You just need to go for slimmer ones that will not add so much width to your body. So this is going to be perfect for you if you're on the plus size. So you can still do your horizontal stripes. It's just that you're going to be very strategic about it. All right, so this is really beautiful. You can see it on your screen right now, and we got this for £35. I don't know if I can open it. Okay, I can. Oh, this is nice. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Is so beautiful. Lovely, 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 lovely. I love this. We're almost done. Okay. We have this other shirts as well from Lyle and Scot. We got so many things from Lyle and Scot, actually. So many lovely shirts. And I think I like the choice of things my clients picked. So many patterns, colors. He's not afraid at all. And I should add that it's actually my female clients that ordered these items. So she got the sneakers for herself, and we got these items for our partner. This is so beautiful, and you really need to see the texture. You need to feel it. You can't feel it because you are watching on the screen, but this is so lovely. Again, you can wear this as a standalone shirt, and you can wear it as a flannel shirt, an over shirt on top of a plain t-shirt. This is really nice. I like the choice of colors. You can pair this. Is so versatile with blue jeans, with khaki, with beige, with black. See, I'm already giving you ideas in case you want to get something like this. Yeah. And the final shirt we have here is also this from Lyle and Scot. You can see Lyle and Scot has really nice things. Very, very nice. Look at it on your screen. Very simple. We got this on sale at £25. And I love the color because this is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. I love the color. I love the little detail of this pocket right here. Very nice, very classy, very simple. And that's about it for the t-shirts. We have some other things. Okay, so we also have another pair of female shoes right here for my clients from Office London. I really like their packaging. It's so nice, so beautiful, so simple. And this is a pair of flat shoes, black, lovely, so simple, so nice. Don't worry, you see it closely at the end of today's video. So I have this really nice item I bought for a client. This is the first time I'm getting something like this. It's really special, really romantic and all of that. So I'm going to open it and just show you guys what it is. Yeah. Guys, this is it. It's a proposal ring, guys. Someone trusted me enough to get their proposal ring. I'm so honored. I feel so... Don't worry, by the time you are watching this video, the owner of the item would have seen it because it won't be fair for the guy to see his ring first on my video. Okay, so this is it. I love the packaging. I love the box. It's so cute. We have a proposal to make. And this is it, guys. Look at, so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm so close to tears. Guys, but seriously, this ring is so nice, and this is where I'm going to be drawing the curtains on today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved these items that I showed you. I loved every piece of item that I got for my clients, and this is a service that I offer to both men and women. So if you want to shop anything from the UK, from the US, right here in Nigeria, you need someone to show you where to get the best items. You have a budget, you're looking for some dope sale, you want to save some money, you want to grab quality for a fraction of the price, or you're looking for authentic items. All right, you're not even about the sale, you just want authentic items, then you need to use this service. It's my personal shopping and concierge service, and you can send me an email. Send an email to TEEWAIEFFSBEAUTYHOUSE@gmail.com, and I'll be able to put you through these services. So that's it from me today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you're updated every time I drop a video. Till I come your way again, it's bye for now. I advise that if you are on the plus size, you need to go for horizontal stripes like this, all right? And if you are on the slimmer side, then baby, which one is vertical, which one is horizontal? Okay, so if you're on the plus size, you need to go for vertical.